this Gen Zs, meron silang mark, ang tawag nila dyan, trentahin. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Kaya sila nagmamadali. Gusto nila, pag 30 na sila, achieve na siya, naka-arrive na siya. Now, I'm not saying that that is correct, no? But, I'm not saying that that is impossible. During our generation, we weren't thinking about, dapat may bahay na ako, may kotse na ako, dapat marami na akong investments, pag 30 years old na ako. Ganun yung thinking process nila, no? And quite frankly, I also learned this from my children na Gen Zs, no? So, trend time, kaya pala, nagsisikap sila ngayon, they seemingly, they are impatient, seemingly, when I say seemingly, maaaring totoo, maaaring hindi, no? Pero nagsisikap sila kasi gusto nila, by 30, na-enjoy na nila yung buhay.
Watch the full episode on YouTube and Spotify.